adorable, y'all. Also holding a strawberry. Do you see the rainbow? He is so adorable. She is super cute. And this beauty is reversible. Hey kittens, welcome back. So today I have a Valentine's / winter collective haul for you guys. I got some super cute finds from stores, of course, like TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, and even Dollar Tree. So first I wanted to start with the Hello Kitty / Sanrio finds. We have to start with this super cute Hello Kitty Valentine's wood decor piece. So I got this beauty from Marshall's and this was $8. And then here is the back. So again, there is a hook on this, so if you want to hang it, you can. And then next is this super cute square wood decor piece with Hello Kitty, and it says love is magical. She literally looks like a love fairy. Then here is the back, and I got this from Marshall's, and this was $5.99. We know how I am with cups and tumblers by now, and I couldn't resist either one of these cups. So I got two super cute pink Hello Kitty tumblers. So let's start with this one first. So I got this one from Marshall's, and it's like this really nice deep pink, and it has Hello Kitty and bubble letters. And I don't even know if y'all can tell, but literally her blush is in heart shapes, and she has hearts in her eyes. Oh, so cute. And then this is the top of the tumbler. So it actually has this piece where you can just slide it. So you can close it or open it when you want to drink out of it. And then here is the bottom. Again, this is from Marshall's, and this was $12.99. And then next is this tumbler that literally looks like that tumbler, except it says love in bubble letters, and it also has a handle on the side, which I really do love. So this is how this one looks. So it's pretty much the same as the one I showed you before. And then this is the top. And then here is the bottom. So I got this from HomeGoods, and this was $14.99. So next up is this other Hello Kitty Valentine's tumbler, and I got this one from HomeGoods, and it's so cute. It just has Hello Kitty's face with red hearts all over it. And then this is the top. And then this is the bottom. So again, I got this from HomeGoods, and this was $12.99. So next up is this Hello Kitty towel set. Y'all, I literally thought of spring when I saw this. So this is how she looks. She's so adorable, and she's also holding a strawberry. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then this is the back, and this was from HomeGoods, and this was $12.99. So next up is this adorable Hello Kitty pencil cup. Y'all, she is super cute. And I actually saw another style of this one, but she had on red and blue. But when I saw this pink one, y'all know I had to get it right. Okay. So this is how the back looks. And while I don't think you can store a lot of like markers or highlighters in here, I do think it's really cute as a decor piece as well. And then here is the bottom, and this was $12.99 from HomeGoods. And then next up is this super cute Hello Kitty ice cream squishy. Oh my gosh, y'all. She is so adorable. Look at her as an ice cream cone. Oh my, come on. So super cute. And they also have other characters that you can collect on the back as well. And I actually got this from Five and Below, and I forgot the price of this, but I'm gonna have it on the screen. And then next up is this super cute Sanrio magnet that I got from Five and Below. And it has different characters on here, so you can see little twin stars, obviously Hello Kitty, Choco Cat, Cinnamoroll. And then this is the back, and this was $3.50. So next up, kittens, I found adorable Sanrio cups, y'all. Oh my gosh, I was so shocked when I went into HomeGoods and saw these. So we're gonna start with Karomi. So here is how she looks. Oh, she's so cute, y'all. And then this is how the back looks, and I'll probably just use this as a decor piece. And then here is the tag. And then this was $9.99. So next up is obviously Cinnamoroll in all his cuteness. So this is how he looks, and y'all, I know his nose looks a little wonky. I am well aware. I still think he is so adorable. And then this is how the back looks. And this is the inside of his cup. And then here is the tag. And this one was also $9.99. So next up, kittens, I found the Hello Kitty gingerbread ceramic pan. Y'all, I bought this online and it was broke. I was so mad, but then I saw it in HomeGoods and I was like, yes, ma'am, let me put it in a cart. So this is how the inside looks. So adorable, y'all. I'm not even kidding. And then here's this side, and this was $16.99. I literally cannot wait to use this. Oh my gosh, I have so many ideas of things I want to bake in here. So definitely stay tuned to my vlogs. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so because you will see this again. Kittens, come here. Come here. I knew I would not find the Hello Kitty Valentine's Day blanket in pink and white. Like I was like, girl, you're not gonna find it. Cut it as a loss, like take the L. And I saw it in HomeGoods. Y'all, it's adorable and it's reversible. Let me show you. So this is obviously the front. This is the tag. And then on the other side, it has the price. So this was $29.99. And then I'm gonna open this up so you guys can see. That is how this looks. Okay. And then this is the blanket. So it's just Hello Kitty in pink with pink hearts. But y'all, you open it up and this beauty is reversible. So not only do you have like the white background with the pink outline, but you can also have the pink background with the white outline. Y'all, let me get you the pink. That's, yeah. I am so excited about this blanket and I literally cannot wait to use it. It is so soft and it's so cozy. It's perfect for the winter season. I can't wait. So next up, I wanted to cover like the non-Sanrio Hello Kitty character finds. So I wanted to start by showing you guys that I love the Hello Kitty throw so much. I also had to get the Minnie Mouse one. Y'all, I can't get enough. It's adorable. Look at her. Y'all, look. Kittens. Kittens. So cute. And then the back is the same as the side I just showed you guys. And yes, this one is also reversible as well. So here you can see it a little better. What I meant by it's the opposite of the one side that I just showed y'all, how it's a pink background with the white Minnie Mouse shape. So cute. And then this is the tag for this one. And then this is the inside. And then here's the price for it. So this was also $29.99. And then next up is actually the sweater that I'm wearing. So this is like a Barbie winter themed sweater. And I think it's so cute, y'all. It's pink, it's purple. It has Barbie on it. It has snowflakes. It's warm, it's cozy. I love this sweater so much. This is literally like, I wanna say my third or fourth time wearing this sweater. It is just the cutest, coziest thing. So yeah, I also wanted to obviously share this. I found the Carebears Valentine's Day wood decor piece. Let me just show you. Do you see the rainbow? Do you see the pastel colors? Adorable. So this is the back, and this was $6.99 from TJ Maxx. And again, this one also has that hook here. So if you want to hang this on your wall, you can. So now I wanted to jump into the Valentine's Day finds. Y'all, I have to show you guys this super cute Valentine's Day cardigan. When I saw it in TJ Maxx, I was like, absolutely. Yes, absolutely. So this is the front, y'all, and it's in pink and it has red hearts, and even the buttons on it are red hearts. So cute. And then this is the back. So it's the same thing as the front, and this was $19.99. And then the sleeves also obviously have that same pattern as well. And then we have this super cute rainbow Valentine's Day garland that I got from HomeGoods, and this was $12.99. Y'all, look how cute they are. Love the rainbow colors. Love that they're literally the candy hearts and they say different super cute things on them. And they even have like these super cute and colorful pom-poms. I'm gonna show you guys the back. Oh, so happy, so excited. Valentine's Day is literally one of the cutest holidays in my opinion. So I can't wait, y'all. And next up is this Valentine's Day garland in pastel candy hearts. And this one is from TJ Maxx, and this was $12.99. And then here is the back. And then I got these love connection cards from TJ Maxx, and these were $5.99. So these have 24 different cards in them that ask questions about love. So for example, they have one on the back that says, do you believe in soulmates? And then y'all, I went to Dollar Tree and I found so many super cute things there. Thank you, Pretty and Fall, because girl, you've been making me spend all my money with all this cute stuff. But y'all, look how cute this candy dispenser is. Oh, y'all, so cute. So this, I believe, was $1.25. If not, I'm gonna have it on the screen. Listen to it, hold on. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. And then this is the back, y'all. I got it in red, but then I also have a pink one, but I'll probably leave the red one up here in my office. And then I found this super cute Valentine's Day bucket that says hearts and hugs on it. It is such a pretty pastel baby pink. And then this is the inside. And then this is the back, and I'm pretty sure this was $1.25 as well. And if not, I'm gonna have the price for you guys. Next up are the miscellaneous finds. Y'all, I found some really nice facial sponges at Dollar Tree, and my esthetician actually told me about them. I got 8, but I'm gonna just show y'all 4 of them. Y'all, these right here are literally a game changer when cleansing my skin. Like, it feels cleaner some way, somehow, using a sponge as opposed to just using my fingers. Love this so much. So yeah, again, I got a bunch of them. I believe the price was $1.25 for each. Kittens, when I saw this rainbow stress ball at TJ Maxx, I knew I had to get it. So adorable, y'all. It was $5.99, and the box even says be happy on it, and it has clouds at the bottom. And then this is the back. So next up are these acrylic paint pens. You get 12 of them, and these were $16.99, and they're by the brand Montmartre. And I loved the colors on these, y'all. So this is the back, and where you can see the colors and the pricing a little bit better. So kittens, be sure to let me know what your favorite item or items were down in the comments below. And if you're looking for any more collective haul videos by me, be sure to check out the pinned comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one, kittens. Adios. We're at the end of the video. I'm so excited. Okay, I can like go eat and just, I got a salad, y'all. I know, your girl is eating salads. Who am I? But I'm gonna put some chicken salad in the salad, and it's about to be. Okay, let me focus. That was good. Bye.